Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse.
So in this video, I will teach you all about this Visme AI, whether you should use it or not. So here I'm opening the website. You can see that.
Here for creating an account, you have two options here. You can log in or you can sign up. If you are new here, then you have to sign up. You can do that with Google or you can write your email and then you have to do the verification step. And I have already created account, so I will simply go with login.
Now here you can see how the website looks. Here you have these presentation where you can see all the presentations. Here you can see all templates and brand templates. Here you can also see brand templates and you can get started with that. Now here you also can see here the documents made and you can also see here the whiteboards as well. Here you have access to all the whiteboards. You can use all these whiteboards as template.
Now here if we go and if we open one to show you how it looks, so here I will show you. Here you can see the option preview and edit. Here you can preview and you can edit that according to your own need and your own design. Really, you also have here a form and survey. We can see different forms and you can see here different surveys and you can use these as a template as well. Here you can see all these forms and survey. You also have these charts and graphs here. You can see different charts and graphs and you can also see this infographics and social media links here as well. Here you can also see the printables and website graphics as well. And you can use all these as a template and you can customize them according to your own choice. Now this Visme AI has also introduced a feature called Create with AI. Here you can see this feature Create with AI. You can use that and you can also search that in Create. If you will go and you will click on this Create option, here you will go to Project. In Project you scroll down, there you can see the option Create with AI in the bottom. You will click that. Now here you can see this Create with AI. And if you will click on this Create with AI, here you can create with AI. Here I'm asking AI to create a global warming presentation for me. Here you can see that they are asking me to choose a template. Here I have chosen this template. I really like this template. Here after choosing template you have to click on generate. Now they are generating and this says that it will take some minutes and you have to wait. Here you can see that they totally give you 10 credits and now I only have 4 left. They got almost 3 credits for every presentation you make. So here you can see that they are saying that this presentation will take only 3 minutes and it will save you hours. So it's nice to give some minutes instead of some hours. And now here you can see that they have created the presentation for us. And when I try to open it, it just showed me blank page. I don't know why it showed me blank screen. Here I have used all my carries. Now I can't figure out what the problem was. But here you can see that this app has many other features as well. So let's go and I will show you more about it. Here you can choose any presentation. I have chosen one. Now you can see here many options. Here you can see the edit option. Here you can add logo, which is the premium option. You can add headings. These are the premium options. So here for editing you basically have to buy their premium option. Here you can see that most of the editing is available in the premium option. So if you want to create presentations and if you often have to make presentations, so this Visme AI will be for you. Here some of the editing options are available for premium, but many are free. Here you can see that you can drag any slide of different presentation into your presentation and you can do all these things. Here you have access to so many document, presentation, whiteboard, survey, charts and many more, and it's for free, which is really insane. Here you can also see the premium option where you can have access to many more things, and here in the premium you have the smarter and pro plan. Now if we talk about the pro plan, here in the pro you can see that you have to pay $25 almost per month, and for the smarter you have to pay $12 per month. So if you're a beginner and you have a company ongoing, so it's better to buy a starter for now and see how it works, and later on you can also buy the pro. If I compare this Visme with the Canva, I will say that Visme is much better than Canva, because in Canva you have access to the templates of different presentations, but these Visme templates are even more nicer and more creative than Canva. Now if I compare Canva and Visme for the user interface, I will say that Visme AI is more user friendly than Canva. Canva is also nice, but in Visme AI you have much more options and much more features. Now here in Canva you can also see different presentations and all these things, but here you can see that we don't have any access to chart options or survey options. Here you can see that we have only limited access. In Visme AI you have access to many more templates and features, presentations, documents and all these things. So if you want to look for more options and more creativity, then I would suggest you using Visme AI, because Visme AI has more options and more features. And that was all about how you can use Visme AI. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.